Not gonna lie, we prepared for chaos when we ditched Pacifier. But it only took a week. And the wildest part, by the 4th Pacifier, she was done. Lost interest on her own, no screams, no wake ups, just done. Here's exactly what we did, why 12 months is the sweet spot, and what I do differently. So why 12 months? Experts say the longer they use it, the more dependent they are on it, so harder to quit. Next, 3 main reasons. First, dental health. Past a certain age, pacifiers can mess with teeth alignment. Next, ear infections. Studies show that extended use ups the risk of ear infections. Next, speech delays. More sucking, less talking. Simple as that. And here's a pro tip. Don't wean the pacifier and the bottle off at the same time. If you had to pick one, drop the bottle first. Bigger impact on teeth and nutrition. My daughter's mom and I co-parent, so we needed something smooth. No stress, no delays. Cutting off cold turkey? Too harsh. Pacifier fairy? Cute, but she was too young to get it. Then we found Free to Baby, a step-by-step system that makes quitting feel natural.
So the kit has 5 pacifiers, each slightly trimmed, and every few days we swap one out for the next. She couldn't tell us how she felt, but we did notice something. Each new pacifier, less sucking, less interest.
By Pacifier 4, she just stopped caring. Put it in, took it out, left it behind, no meltdowns, no night wake-ups, just moved on. Full disclosure, what worked for us might not work for you, of course. We believe what made all the difference was that 12-month mark. It wasn't too short and it wasn't too long, so she wasn't dependent. At the end of the day, it was really her choice, and we helped her along. It wasn't a battle, nothing like that. So parents, oh, by the way, if you guys want the kit, I did paste it down below on the description. It's the same one we used. But parents, have you started weaning? Have you looked into it? What are your thoughts? What are your tips? Comment below. See ya.